Configuring an Authorize net-hosted payment form is a straightforward process that enables businesses to securely accept payments online. To begin, you need to have an Authorize net account. If you don't have one, sign up for a merchant account on the Authorize net website. First, log into your Authorize net account and navigate to the settings page. Then click on the payment form option. This will take you to the hosted payment form configuration page. Here, you can customize the appearance of your payment form by selecting a template, adding your company logo, and choosing the fields you want to display. Next, you need to configure the payment settings. This includes specifying the payment types you accept, such as credit cards or e-checks, and setting up any additional payment options, like recurring billing or trial periods. You also need to define the transaction settings, including the currency, tax, and shipping options. To ensure the security of your payment form, you must configure the security settings. This includes enabling Secure Token, which replaces sensitive payment information with a unique token, and setting up a MD5 hash, which verifies the authenticity of the payment request. After configuring the payment form settings, you need to generate the HTML code for your payment form. This code will be used to integrate the payment form with your website. You can customize the code to match your website design and layout. Finally, test your payment form to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by submitting a test payment and verifying that the payment is processed successfully. It is also a good idea to test the payment form with different payment types and scenarios to ensure it is working as expected. Best practices for configuring an Authorize net-hosted payment form include using a secure connection, such as HTTPS, to protect sensitive payment information, and ensuring that your payment form is compliant with industry security standards, such as PCI DSS. Additionally, you should regularly review and update your payment form settings to ensure they remain secure and compliant with changing payment regulations. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure an Authorize net-hosted payment form that is secure, reliable, and easy to use, and start accepting payments online with confidence.